Hi everyone, today I'm gonna do another project of my 100 Python project challenge. And in this project, I'm gonna do a to-do list with Python classes. First, I will start by defining my class. I will name it Todolist. And as you remember, first we should define our self class, define our init function, and we should add self as a parameter inside it. So let's define it, and let's define our tasks. Now we prepared our init function and we got our tasks. We can call whenever we want these tasks. And let's define another function. I will name this function at task, and we will call our self parameter and task. Actually, we can take task inside of our function, not as a parameter. We will say task equal input, please enter a task, and \n. Then we will add our task to our tasks in init function. Then we will add remove tasks, remove task. But before doing this, we should add view tasks because the user should see tasks before deleting them. So I will define it here. And for here, I should call task in enumerate staff.tasks. I will explain this part later. Just write it now. And here we should call our self.vftasks function, and we should enter our task number. Yep, it's Copilot handled it. Integer input. Please enter the number of the task you want to remove. Here we are getting index of our task number, then we are removing it using pop function from our tasks, and here we are using our index. We are decreasing 1 because indexing starts from 0 in Python list. And let's see. Yep, it's ready. We should call it here to do list equal class of to do list. And here we can call all of our function and test them. For example, we can call add task, then we can call it again, then we can view our tasks, then we can remove one of them, and we can call view tasks again. Now let's explain it. Wait, we can test it before doing it, and we are getting an error. It's trying to run shell. We are not gonna use shell now. And it asks for a task. For example, we can enter go to university, go to gym, and as you can see, first it calls view tasks, and for the first uh, task we see go to university, and the second one we are seeing go to gym. Then it calls our remove task function, and remove task function first calls our view task function, so we are seeing them again, and then asks for the number of tasks we want to remove. And I want to remove first task, and as you can see, it removes first task and views our tasks again, and we can see go to gym here. Now let's explain what our class does. First, we are defining an init class and self.task. I explained in previous project what this init function does, so I'm not gonna explain it again. Then we are calling our add task function, and our add task function needs an input for task. We are entering our task, then it appends this task to our self.tasks. Then we have view tasks function, and what this function does, this function looks for e which uh, explains our index. We are using e for showing our index, and task is our normal task, string of our task. And this enumerate looks for first index of e in self.tasks, then looks for task in self.tasks, then prints first index of our task, then string of the task, and it should increase one because in Python, as I said before, in Python lists indexing start from 0. Then we have remove task function, which first calls self.viewTasks, and this function shows which tasks we have. Then we are entering the number of which task we want to remove, and we are using default built-in pop function of lists, and we are removing that task, but we should decrease one because of Python list indexing. It starts from 0. Then we are creating instance of our class, and we are just calling function. You can do this with a menu, which I can suggest because it's could be a good practice, and other than it we don't I don't have anything to say because I guess this project is done too. So this is end of this project. We will meet again in the next project. See you later.